Bitch. Okay. We gonna go no order. For now, Terry Crews. I'm gonna say Terry Crews is a B tier actor. Who was it? Oh fuck, I remember this nigga. Uh, he B tier too. H S tier, we know S tier. We know the S tier niggas. We know. I'm gonna get to the S tier niggas. He's an A tier. What's his name? I think Eddie something. He's A tier. Uh, I see this nigga in a lot of movies. I don't know who you are. See, I didn't see her in enough movies. Who? Ooh, 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 ooh. I know her catalog. I'm gonna give her a B tier for now. My nigga Ice Cube not in here? Speaking of him. Oh. Off the rip. The GOAT. S tier actor. Anthony Mackie. Now everybody be saying Anthony Mackie ass. But he's low-key tough. You gotta give him 8 Mile in the Avengers. He's tough. But damn, he was ass as Tupac though. So we gonna give you bottom B. We gonna give you bottom B. This nigga's A tier. Get Out performance. I like her in the Avengers. This Taraji? Taraji's an S tier actor. We gotta give her a credit. Taraji's an S tier actor. Zendaya's A tier. Samuel L. Jackson's S tier. He ain't above Morgan though. We know my nigga Will. This nigga M'Baku. Black Panther. C tier. I don't know you. I don't know you. B. That A tier is like, you going stupid right now, but you just ain't on that level. You know A tier is. Shuri. Right above Anthony Mackie. Get the fuck out of here. Dwayne The Rock Johnson. I didn't even see you. We're gonna say you for later. We're gonna say you for later. Jamie. This nigga, oh, he's definitely A tier. This nigga's in every. This nigga plays that villain African role so well. My nigga Gus. Ooh. Oh, nah, you ain't better. We gonna save for this nigga right here. Okay, they got the niggas. I was wondering what Kevin Hart at. Okay, we got the niggas. We got the niggas. Huh. C tier. I'm not finna dick rat the Black Panther niggas. I seen decent. I ain't too special. This ain't the girl from. Is this the girl from Creed? She C. It's Taraji's S. Taraji's S tier, bro. My nigga Chadwick. Ooh, we gotta see Chadwick catalog. I give him A. I give him A. Where Chadwick at? I think so. Straight out of Compton. Oh, there go Chad. A tier. Rihanna act? The fuck? Let me. Rihanna acts? Get the fuck out of here. D tier. D tier. Oh, this bitch is B tier. I'm telling you. That Black Panther squad, it get cut off right here. I'm gonna use B. Oh, what's that nigga name? Oh, is he ass? What's this nigga name? I forgot. Nah, he got Matrix, John Wick, Boys in the Hood. He got a catalog. But he ain't never been that dude. He always been that side. No, never mind. You can't be S tier. You can't be S tier. You want actor. You want the main actor in your movie. You can't be S tier. You can't be S tier. I can't do it. I can't do it. You had a lot of movies. I can't do it. This Eddie Murphy? Yeah, I believe so. Eddie don't got a catalog to be S tier. Eddie don't got that catalog to be S tier, but I'll put you over them niggas. You don't got that catalog.
I miss Jim. Ever since we started looking for a reward.
Oh, shit all. Where do I know you from? Who you be? Chris Rock. Chris Rock. We gonna come back to you. We gonna come. Now it's starting to get. We gonna get all the niggas first. I'm gonna get to the goats. Trust and believe. I know about the Idris. Sadly, the Denzel Washingtons. But I'm gonna get my debunk on what niggas really is. That your mom? Right? I don't know that nigga. What Oprah at? What the fuck? Ooh. I know her, and I know her catalog. And her catalog is over Zendaya's. She has a catalog. She has a repertoire. She has a repertoire. I seen that nigga before, so I'm gonna give you B. No, this nigga got a catalog. I'm sorry for disrespecting this nigga. I'm gonna put him over Anthony Mackie. He got a catalog. Oh shit, no, he got a crazy catalog. I might put him over. Shit. This Beyonce? Oh, then obsessed, so I'm gonna give you B tier. I changed my mind. No, I don't. I say he at the top of the game for C tier. I say he on the top. He on the top for C tier. That's not bad. I can't get you over. I can't get you over these niggas. I can't. I cannot. I can put you over Shuri. What do I know this nigga from? What do I know him from? Hey, let me know this nigga name in the comments. If it's who I think, I just can't do it. I can't put you over Anthony Mackie. I can't do it. Ooh, this bitch got a catalog though. It's so intertwined. Cause B is like, it's nice, but it ain't that. That's like, oh, you know Zendaya. You know that nigga. You know Eddie Murphy. You know Chadwick. That's what that A tier is. That S tier, come on. It's Will Smith, my nigga. It's Taraji. It's Samuel L. Jackson. It's Morgan Freeman. These just see. Ooh, I don't know where to put this bitch. Like I said, she too well known. She too well. I see her in too many movies. She too well known. See, now we starting to buckle down. B. I don't know who you are. I'm put over B. Yo, B. I'm put over B. This is where it gets tough. This is where pressure is made. Diamonds are formed. I know I'm gonna get a lot of slack from this. I forgot your name. But this nigga has been in a lot of movies. I forgot your name. But this nigga, he was him. Okay, now I know everybody else here. I know everybody else here. Rhodey, your time has come. James Rhodey. Oh shit, we gotta see your catalog. S tier. Nah, A tier. Nah, he might be S. You ain't never been that dude though. That dude to carry that movie. That leading actor. And that's why I can't give you the S tier, my brother. Can't do it, my brother. Who do I want to go to? We gonna go to Chris Rock. Chris Rock, you know, he's a funny guy. Chris Rock ain't never been that guy too. To be in that S tier category, you gotta have that serious role. And I know he played like 1 or 2 serious roles, but he ain't never been just like, damn, Chris Rock. He that guy. But I'm gonna give you the top of the A chain just for grown-ups. I'm gonna give you the top of the A chain. You steal Eddie Murphy's spot. Hey, just get your ass in the goat spot. Guess what? I know you gotta go. You already know you gotta go. You already know you gotta go. That nigga, take us. Okay. Ooh, he better than Jamie. 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 Now it gets tough. Cause I know I was talking about. Okay, we gonna get to Dwayne The Rock Johnson after. Yes, after. And we gonna have my nigga Will. We gotta have my nigga Martin. We got to. We gotta have my nigga Martin. Now, Dwayne The Rock, Cop, Jungle, Animals, Jungle, Forest, Cop, Muscle Man, Cop, Dwayne The Rock Johnson, my nigga. And you can't be S tier. You had a lot of lead roles, but you just not versatile. You're not versatile. You're not like these brothers. Do I want to give you over James Rhodey? I don't. Do I want to give you over Zendaya? Do I want to give you Dwayne? It's Dwayne The Rock Johnson, my nigga. I'm gonna give him A tier because it's Dwayne The Rock Johnson, but he's just not versatile. He barely made the cuts. You and Terry Crews is the same nigga. Flex your muscles. You lucky I don't. You lucky I don't put Debo up here. We're the same niggas. We're the same niggas. Kevin Hart. Now, I know what I just said about Chris Rock. But after seeing what Kevin Hart did on Netflix, this brother can play a serious role. Kevin Hart is a GOAT. This nigga has movies, catalogs. He has Fatherhood, Oh my god, nigga. Do I have to say about a serious movie? Funny movies, Ride Along, Funeral. He has it all. Soul Plane. Oh no, that nigga's S tier. Sorry. That nigga's S tier. Oh, Chris Tucker? Oh my god. I have to okay, I gotta get some more black actors. Hold on. After this. Michael B. Jordan. Get your ass up there, man. You still a rook. You a rook, but you getting up there. You a rook. You a rook. You a rook. But you up there. Niggas know. Okay. That was hate. 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 Denzel Washington. I just talk about The Rock. Other than that serious killer or that serious dude, what can Denzel can't play that funny dude. He can't play that ride along type character. That bad boys type character. That Friday type character. You know what I'm saying? He can play that cop, that John Wick, that evil, that killer. But can Denzel Washington play that goofy type character? No. And that's why I cannot give him that's why I cannot give him GOAT status. That's why I can't give him over Will. Damn near over Samuel. Damn near under Idris. Damn near under Jamie. Nah, Jamie is crazy. Jamie is crazy. Jamie is crazy. I'm gonna give you over Idris. You number 3. I ain't top 3. Samuel Jackson is a GOAT. He's a GOAT. And now, I know a lot of niggas go cook me for my last statement. But this brother right here. How I just talked about everybody catalogs. How if you can do all, you can do one. This brother has the goofy movies. He can play that Smokey. He can play that Craig. He can play that serious baby boy. He can play that Chris Tucker. He can play that serious scary movie role. He can be in the Transformers. And that's why I have to give this brother GOAT status. The best actor of all time. The best actor of all time is Tyrese Gibson.